YouTube is a place that can seem like a goldmine of content for you to watch. And honestly, it is. So long as you know what to look for. But for others, the real goldmine is them going and making the content that will eventually lead them to getting money. You all likely know some big YouTube creators who literally live off the money they make from their videos. But there are other ways to go and get the job done in terms of making money via YouTube, including just watching videos. Allow us to show you how to make money online watching YouTube videos. Wait, this is actually possible? Yeah, it is, believe it or not. There are websites that have special reward programs which offer viewers the opportunities to make money online by just watching YouTube videos or even TV shows. They pay you simply for watching and/or performing some tasks during or after the watching process. And the good thing is that the videos don't have to be boring or annoying videos. They pay you just for watching entertaining videos. So, you enjoy the videos for sure, and you also get paid or rewarded. Sounds like a win-win, wouldn't you say? Granted, you can't just go and start watching videos and thinking everything is done. You have to do some steps on your end first. While some of them pay through offering of gift cards, many others pay cash directly to your PayPal account, making it possible for you to make money using PayPal. Swagbucks. This is one of the oldest and most reputable sites that really pay those who watch videos through them. They pay you just for watching different videos, ranking from sports videos, world news videos, etc. You can even get paid through them just for watching sponsored videos. Of course, they also pay you when you perform other activities like taking surveys, surfing the web, and, believe it or not, just for shopping online. Swagbucks has paid their members over $275 million in cash and free gift cards over the years. Yes, that's a staggering $275 million. That's too much money to not take them seriously, wouldn't you say? Apart from just watching videos, they also reward you for other activities such as shopping online, answering online surveys, checking out offers, searching the web, playing games online, or on your phone using their mobile app. Inbox Dollars. As the name implies, the main way of earning from Inbox Dollars is reading emails they send to your inbox. But they also pay you for watching videos through them on a daily basis. They are also one of the oldest in the business and really pay those who sign up and perform the tasks provided. Other ways to earn from Inbox Dollars include completing relevant surveys, playing of games online, doing searches online, etc. MyPoints. This is another reputable survey website that pays for watching videos. With MyPoints, you get paid to watch certain videos, earn points, then redeem your points for gift cards when necessary. You can earn as many as 500 points every single day just watching videos. And yes, you can choose to watch only fun videos, not boring nor annoying videos. Apart from getting paid to watch videos with MyPoints, you can also get paid to shop, play games, and even read emails. They have been in operation since 1996. That's usually a good indication of how trustworthy they are. Earning Station. This site also pays people to watch videos. You earn points for your videos you watch and for other activities such as shopping online, taking surveys, playing games, etc. This website is very particular about where members are from, so if you're not from the United States, you might not get accepted. In fact, you might not even be able to access their website if you are not from the countries allowed, particularly the United States. Perk. This is another site to consider when it comes to getting paid for watching of short videos. Yes, you don't have to watch long or boring videos with Perk. You earn points from watching short videos and can convert your points down the road for gift cards of your choice, merchandise of your choice, and of course, into cash. Below are some of the things you can do with Perk to earn Perk points. Shopping while online, answering some pop quizzes if, when you can, searching the web using Perk if, when you want to, downloading new apps to try them out, watching some popular videos if and when you want to, watching movies, and even app trailers if and when you want to. Yes, with this, you can play, quiz, and earn money. As of the time of writing this, Perk has paid out rewards of over $51 million. Yes, that's a staggering $51 million and counting. App trailers. As the name implies, app trailers pay for watching the trailers of particular apps. According to them, they reward members who watch trailers of what they call hot apps. You earn points for the trailers you watch and can redeem your reward points when necessary. You can redeem your points with instant gift cards as well as instant cash directly to your PayPal account. Market Force Information. This is a mystery shopping company that pays people who love watching movies to attend movie premieres. Of course, most movie lovers would even love to go to such premieres for free, but with this company, you get paid for that. For movie lovers, it's like getting completely free money while enjoying the movies. When you join them, you will be known as a CFA, Certified Field Associate. You get paid for what they call field visits. And guess what? You also get reimbursed with cash for what you spent on your movie tickets and any concessions for particular assignments. They mostly accept members from the US and Canada. Get paid to watch Netflix? As far as watching TV is concerned nowadays, it's impossible not to mention Netflix, right? They are the #1 favorite for most people who love watching TV shows, movies, etc. And yes, believe it or not, you can get paid just to watch TV programs on Netflix. You see, Netflix occasionally hires people like you to do the job of watching and tagging some of their programming. Officially, the title of these people are editorial analysts, creative analysts. Also called taggers, people who get hired for such jobs help provide more precise recommendations to other Netflix subscribers. It's one of the dream jobs for stay-at-home moms for sure, watching the programs they love and getting paid for it. The job of these special editorial analysts, creative analysts, or taggers, involves watching lots of content on Netflix, then tagging each of the films and episode with the particular relevant metadata. Tagging the metadata helps make it more search-friendly for people to find the shows and programs they want to watch on Netflix. With this job, you enjoy the TV shows and get paid to better tag them to help others. Sounds like a good scenario to us. Quick rewards. This site is also popular and certainly pays you for watching videos as well as for doing some other tasks online. Some of the other tasks and activities that you can get paid for include taking daily surveys, reading of emails, and even shopping online. They only allow members from US, UK, and Canada. Success Bucks. This is one of the newest from the bunch. It's known as a reward site and already has hundreds of thousands of registered members. They pay their members for watching videos and even for listening to music online. Like the others, they also pay for activities like filling out of surveys, trying out certain products, referring friends, and even just surfing the web. One of the really good things about Success Bucks is that they have a low payment threshold. This means you don't have to wait to accumulate a lot of money before you can get paid. You can get paid as soon as your balance reaches $1.10. Yes, they also pay you through PayPal. National Consumer Panel. National Consumer Panel is a company that collects data about consumer habits and behavior. They send video surveys and scan products you purchase. Video surveys are provided to collect data for advertising campaign and product spots. You can make money by watching videos and providing feedback as demanded by NCP. No, collecting data in this case is not the same as data entry jobs. You can use your Android phone or iPhone to scan products and take video surveys with the NCP app. The more video surveys you take using this platform, the more money you will make. You will earn points for taking the video surveys or scanning products with NCP. When you have reached the required minimal points, you can then redeem the points for cash, gift cards, and other prizes. Not a bad way to spend your day, right? So, what do you think? What do you think of this look at YouTube and how you can honestly make money just by watching the videos that are on there? Did you know that you could do this before watching this video? Do you know someone who has honestly gone and done something like this? Or do you feel that this is a too good to be true opportunity? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on the channel.